Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Maddie, and in this video, I'm going to be covering the slash menu and the Omnibar. These two features are really useful for adding anything you need to into your editor or making any changes to RemNote at all. So let's just hop right into it. First, let's talk about the slash menu. This is a menu that controls all of RemNote's editor features. Whenever you insert a new rem using enter, you'll see a grayed out text saying type slash for commands. That's just prompting you to pull up the slash menu. So let's type in backslash, and it pulls up this slash menu. From here, you can click through and see all of the different things you can actually do in RemNote. For example, you can insert rem references, images, videos, math blocks, quotes, code blocks. Anything you might want to insert into your document can be found right here. You also have shortcuts to edit your flashcards or move your rem or delete them from your document altogether. You also have some editing features like highlighting your rem different colors or changing their header size. You can copy your rem as references, tags, or portals, and you can view that card metadata as well. You also have the option to view power-ups, which are tags that you can use to your rem with very unique functions. I'm actually going to make a separate video discussing these power-ups. And finally, you can implement the concept descriptor framework, which is a method of organizing your notes so you can remember them at their most basic details. This also has its own separate video as well. So I would recommend just playing around, clicking through the slash menu to find all of the different things you can actually add to your rem documents. Now, as you click through the slash menu, you'll also see the associated keystrokes beside all of the functions if you want to just type them in instead of clicking through manually. For example, I can type in /red and it'll automatically change that rem to a red highlight. I could also use /green to make it green. You can use the exact keystroke if you know it, or you can actually just search using the slash menu to find the feature you're looking for. For example, I'll use /header. Header wasn't actually the keystroke, but it searched through the slash menu for something that I was looking for. So that's the slash menu. Super useful feature for inserting anything you might need into your RemNote editor. Now let's go on to the Omnibar. So the Omnibar is just like the slash menu. It can do everything the slash menu can, but it also has global control in RemNote. So you can change your page settings, for example, you can change global settings, and you can actually affect multiple rem at the same time. So to access the Omnibar, use Ctrl+/. It'll pull up the Omnibar menu, and just like the slash menu, you can search through it or use the keystrokes you know to insert something into your knowledge base. So for example, I can use red again here to turn this rem red. And as I just mentioned, the Omnibar also has the option to affect multiple rem. So for example, I'll highlight all of these rem here. I'll use Ctrl+/, type in green, and I will highlight all of them green. So the Omnibar can also trigger global control in RemNote. So let's say that I want to study the flashcards in this folder. I can type in spaced repetition and just choose practice with spaced repetition. There are no flashcards in this folder, but you get the idea. I can trigger a global practice session using the Omnibar. You can even use the Omnibar to navigate globally in RemNote. So again, I'll open up the Omnibar and maybe I'll go to my document table. Unlike the slash menu, the Omnibar can be accessed anywhere in your knowledge base at any time, not just in the editor. So I can use it again here, even while I'm in the document table. And let's say I want to change this to dark mode. And I'll turn it back using dark again. Or I can even open up today's daily document. So that's everything you need to know about the Omnibar and the slash menu. The slash menu is only usable in your editor, and the Omnibar can be used anywhere in your editor using Ctrl+/. And all of the functions that you can pull up through the slash menu or the Omnibar also have their designated keystrokes on the right side of them. So once you get more comfortable with using both of these menus, you can actually just really keep the entire workflow of RemNote on your keyboard. All right, that's it for this one, and I will see you in the next video.